Hello everyone, this is Shazgil from RC Corner. Today we are going to introduce the new DJI Dock 2 and the Matrice 3Td. We will open and see what's the new design, how it looks, and we will talk about some new features of the DJI Dock 2. Before we open, I will tell you some new features of DJI Dock 2 and the Matrice 3Td. As we all know that the DJI Dock has a big size and a heavy weight. So it was very difficult to move from one place to another place or to ship it. Now DJI have solved this problem and DJI had made a new design, a new DJI Dock 2. Same like this, DJI has also designed a new drone model especially for DJI Dock 2, that is Matrice 3Td. The size and weight is reduced from 70% from DJI Dock 1. The weight of DJI Dock 2 is 32 kg only. So 2 person can easily handle it and move from one place to another place. DJI Dock 2 can deploy and start mission just in 45 seconds. DJI has introduced two new drone models with the DJI Dock 2. Number one is Matrice 3Td and the second one is Matrice 3D. We all know that Matrice 3Td stands for the thermal camera. Matrice 3Td and Matrice 3D have a new design of wireless charging in the dock. So when the battery is low, it has a fast charging system and wireless charging system which can charge the battery in 32 minutes from 20% to 90%. The design of DJI Dock 2 is specially for construction sites. Like if the builder want to monitor his site for 3 to 4 years, DJI Dock 2 is the best option for him. DJI Dock 2 is IP55 rated and DJI Matrice 3Td is IP54 rated. DJI Matrice 3D or DJI Matrice 3Td have flight time of 50 minutes and a max distance range of 10 kilometers with the DJI Dock 2. Additionally, we stock DJI Dock 2 and Matrice 3Td. We sell DJI Dock 2 and Matrice 3Td and Matrice 3D. We provide on-site training and setup for our clients. For more information, you can contact on sales@rccorner.com. So we will start unboxing Matrice 3Td and DJI Dock 2. So now we will unbox DJI Matrice 3Td. We have here product certification for Matrice 3Td and DJI sticker and some spare parts. So this is the DJI Matrice 3Td with the thermal camera. It is totally new design, low noise propeller with the RTK module, and here is a third party payload SDK. Here you can use a third party payload with the auxiliary light and the auxiliary light down here. DJI has introduced totally new wireless charging system in dock with the Matrice 3Td and Matrice 3D. This is a totally new feature which DJI introduced with the Matrice 3Td and Matrice 3D. DJI Matrice 3Td and Matrice 3D you can use individually also, not just with DJI Dock 2. So now we will do unboxing for DJI Dock 2. So here is the measurement and how you can set up the Dock 2. There is a size and measurement. So this is the DJI product certification for DJI Dock 2. There is a weather sensor in DJI Dock 2. So whenever the weather is not good or there is a flood in the site, so DJI Dock 2 can detect that weather, and if there is a more flood or water in the area, so it can automatically stop the power. For DJI Dock 2 to place at a suitable place, always it is our recommendation to place it on a fully concrete slab. This is the DJI Dock 2 emergency stop button. This is DJI Dock 2 Ethernet port, and here it is the electricity port. Inside this one you can manually open and close the DJI Dock 2. Together there is a switch for backup without electricity, and here it is a switch of electricity when it is on electricity backup. So we will try to power on the DJI Dock 2 on backup mode. So we will just try to put the drone here and close again. The drone is without battery right now. We are just testing. This is the DJI Dock 2 wind speed gauge module. It is with the one FPV camera and one auxiliary light. Now we will do setup for wind speed gauge module. Still there are a lot more features we have to talk about DJI Dock 2. We will do activation and test fly in our next video. So stay tuned and connected with us. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.